It's springtime, which means the cherry blossoms are in full bloom at the University of Washington. My advice? Take a stroll through these fragrant blossoms with a sweet treat that's just as incredible and draws its very inspiration from these beautiful trees. Our friends at Sweet Alchemy have an ice cream that's perfect for this very occasion. Owner Lois Ko uses local ingredients and an imagination like no other to create some incredibly magical flavors.
We actually have over 100 flavors that we make.
What?
But we can only sell 16 at a time.
And you've got some stuff that we're going to try today, this blueberry lavender.
A few years ago, we met a guy who was so passionate about lavender. And I never knew lavender had so many different strains. And each strain smelled and tasted so different.
Yeah.
We started buying his lavenders to use in our ice cream. The blueberries that we use are from Mount Vernon.
Immediately, you get that lavender. Then the blueberry comes a little later.
And I love our ice cream because all of them have like a not immediate flavor punch, but like a journey inside your mouth. The milk came from the farm probably this week.
Okay.
Freshest you can get.
Well, we can't stop at just one flavor. Now it's time to try Lois's homage to the cherry blossoms here on campus, the sakura.
Dried cherries soaked in sake overnight, cooked and pureed with orange blossom water. So let's see what we got here. I get the blossoms first, and then the cherries arrive.
Yeah. This one's called London Fog.
Okay, and I love tea, so
Yeah,
I'm
oh.
excited to try this.
I love tea.
I really get that sensation of drinking Earl Grey, but that is delicious. This Persian rose. They're using cardamom and rose water and pistachio.
A customer came in and they said that cardamom ice cream is the best ice cream in the world.
That cardamom just punches you. Like it's immediate.
Yep.
And that rose is subtle. Oh, that is so cool. You're going on this little journey.
Yep.
You need to come down here and try this as well. Sweet Alchemy right here in Seattle. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.